What is up, YouTube? Today we have a sweetheart to unbox. You guessed it right, it's the Pixel 2 XL. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here we have the box. Let's open it up. Let's just keep it aside and just have a look at the components of the box. So here we have the documentation, the USB Type-C to USB converter. This is the Type-C to Type-C cable for charging, the USB Type-C to 3.5 headphone and jack. And here we have the power adapter. So this is the 5 volt at 3 amp charger. So this is it with the component. So giving you a physical overview of this device. So on the right side it has the power button, the volume rockers. On the left side of the device we have the SIM tray. On the top we have the secondary microphone for noise cancellation. At the front we have the 6-inch OLED capacitive touchscreen having a pixel density of 538 ppi. Along with that 6-inch display, we have two front-firing speakers that are like stereo speakers and they really sound good. At the top of the phone, we have our sensors along with the 8 megapixel front camera, and at the back we have our fingerprint sensor, the dual tone true tone LED flash, and the 12.2 megapixel camera. At the bottom we have our USB Type-C port, and at the end of this physical overview, the Google logo rests beautifully at the bottom of the device. If you like my video guys, to give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe icon and the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload my new content, and support the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.